Hello guys, welcome back friends. In this session, we will talk about pancreas. In this lecture, we talk about pancreas in three major terms. We study about in pancreas, that is the general criteria, general characteristic of pancreas. In another fourth, that is we discuss what is the morphology of pancreas, and lastly or terminally or distally we discuss about anatomy of pancreas. Pancreas, we discuss in general nature or general criteria of pancreas. Generally, pancreas are present in human body, that is the behind of stomach in abdominal cavity. That is you seen in human body, that is the ventrally that is in you call that is the part of abdomen side, that is you call easily that is ventral, and that is the back side you call that is dorsal. In ventrally, you cut a sections of human body in abdominal cavity, that is vital organ to be present, that exists in right side, right order, that is called liver, and left side, that is stomach, and behind of stomach that are leafy structures, that is nature, leafy type of organ, that is called pancreas. Okay, general weight of pancreas in normal human body, that is 60 gram. Okay, what is the dimension, what is the size of pancreas? General nature of size of pancreas in length, they are having 12 to 15 centimeter in length, but actually that is its breadth or its to be shortness, that is 2.5 centimeter. Next of all, what is the color of pancreas? You generally observe in pictorials, there having not be driven a color mark in pancreas, but you steal sections out of human body and you observe directly to white naked eye, you seems at its color, that is grayish pink. Okay, grayish pink. Again will be a study what is the morphology of pancreas. In morphology of pancreas, they are having to study about body parts of pancreas and ducts of pancreas. What type of duct to be present in pancreas? We first of all mention what is the body parts of pancreas. They have four types of body part as be in pancreas. First of all, head part, that is the lies inside, that is the lied beneath or near in duodenum, that is two broad position, that is the two broad part of pancreas, that is called head, and head continuously to again fourth, that is called neck, that is the two constricted regions. After fourth neck, that is a broad area, that is particularly positions posterior part of a stomach, that is called body, and lastly or distally intermediates, that is a small narrow structures, that is called pancreas body part, that is called tail. In tails, they are having so many a small numerous like lobules are present that have number, that is 1 million, that is called lobular, that is lobular in form, that is round in form, not be called lobular, that is its name not be called lobular, it's totally name that inside a type of endocrine glands are present, that is called general you call Islet of Langerhans, you will study in 10th classes. Here we, that is diagram draw of diagram of liver, stomach, and to be seen inside pancreas. Okay, here we study morphology of pancreas, we discuss body parts, now we discuss ducts of pancreas. They are having three types of ducts to be present in pancreas. What type of ducts present in pancreas? In three types of duct, that is the first initiative ducts, that we originated from tail positions to a smaller ones, that is too many of us find, that is too many finds of passage area added with a position in broad area, that is headed, that type of duct is called pancreas, that is called main pancreatic duct, and its duct in biologically nature is called duct of Wilson. Another type of duct, that is accessory pancreatic duct. Accessory pancreatic duct access of pancreatic juice from pancreas to duodenum that directly follow pancreatic juice pancreas to stomach, okay, and pray for digestive in nature. Next of all, that is accessory pancreatic duct. Accessory pancreatic duct in biologically term of duct in biology that is called duct of Santoni in another, and lastly that is type of duct is called hepatopancreatic duct. Hepatopancreatic duct commonly that is the formed with two terms, hepato means liver, and here pancreas, that is the easy term you generally seen pancreas nature, that having ampulla. What is the ampulla? Ampulla is the broad section, broad part of area that here to be here to be read ampulla. So ampulla generally you will figured out in reproductive FRS or female reproductive systems in oviduct. Okay, general here terms that is hepatopancreatic ampulla, that is hepatopancreatic ampulla, when bile ducts and arrive when main pancreatic duct are commonly mixed, and that is a broad part, broad passes to be formed. That broad passes is called hepatopancreatic ampulla, and its duct is known as hepatic pancreatic duct or ampulla of Vater. That is ampulla of Vater to be write down here, ampulla of Vater, write as VATER, not WATER. Okay. Having discussed three type of duct, SSC pancreatic duct, main pancreatic duct, and hepatopancreatic duct. Now to be study what is anatomy of pancreas. In anatomy of pancreas, there having we discuss or mention exocrine part of pancreas as islet of Langerhans, or exocrine part of islet of Langerhans, and endocrine part. In exocrine part, we learn about different types of enzymes are secretion, or generally or commonly different types of enzymes are active, inactive, and different types of compound are fully mixed with a type of juice secreted substance, that is juice secreted substance through lobular acnes. What is lobular acnes? In this figure, in this pictorial, in this depict, in this diagram, you generally that is they are having number of millions type of islet of Langerhans presence at tail position. In this figure, that is the single number of islet of Langerhans we will draw. That single lobules over that having so many a small bag like a structure cell are present, that is called pancreatic acnes, similar like cells, and its beneath or near that is a type of duct, that is pancreatic duct. Through pancreatic acnes, a secreted substance having different concentration of enzyme, different concentration of proenzyme, different concentration of compound are exist, that is generally called pancreatic juice, and that pancreatic juice are driven or transport through pancreatic duct, and that pancreatic duct generally in term of another words to be continuously form main pancreatic duct, and through main pancreatic duct that be comes out in pancreatic juice in duodenum, and what type of reactivity does take place at their duodenal or we call intestinal positions. In this pictorial, you generally seems as like pancreatic acini or pancreatic duct, that is common part, that is called exocrine part. Okay, in pancreatic acnes, secretion a type of juice that is called pancreatic juice. Inside of pancreatic juice, they are having so many proenzymes, so many enzyme, and so many compound that pH value or hydrogen ion concentration is actually 8.4. That 8.4 concentration of hydrogen that represent alkaline in nature, that is base in nature, that is generally a strong base in nature. 8.4, that is 7 up to 8.4, so that is we generally call that is a strong nature of base. Okay, general pancreatic juice are secreted in a particular human body in each or every day, that having half liter to 600 milliliter. Next of all, in pancreatic juice containing substances, what is the containing substances of pancreatic juice? They are having so many containing substances in pancreatic juice. They have it as like you call proenzymes. They have three types of proenzymes. Generally, you learn in book, but I told about they are having four types of proenzymes that be secreted by pancreatic juice. in pancreatic juice by pancreatic acids, as like proenzymes in nature, trypsinogen, chymotrypsinogen, procarboxypeptidase, trypsinogen that reacts with succus intricus or intestinal juice that natured change into active from inactive nature or passive in nature or inactive enzymes. Then trypsin reacts with another chymotrypsin and procarboxypeptidase inactive enzymes, then interchange into chymotrypsin and carboxypeptidase. And four types of secreted proenzyme, that is proelastase as well as trypsin react on proelastase that change into elastin, and even elastin are reacts with elastase enzyme that change into dipeptides. Okay, in pancreatic juice that I talk about what type of proenzymes. Now we talk about in pancreatic juice they're having different types of enzymes are persist. Different types of enzyme exist for digestion of protein, digestion of carbohydrate, digestion of protein, digestion for nucleic acid, digestion for lipid. Okay, they are having so many enzymes. So for carbohydrate, that a nature of pancreatic amylase type of enzymes are consisting in pancreatic juice. They are having for fat, that is pancreatic lipase, that is for digestion for nucleic acid, as DNA and RNA for that is the enzyme consisting DNAs and RNAs, as well as they are having so many enzymes are present in nature. In continuously in exocrine part, lobular acids secreted pancreatic juice. Okay, we will talk about in pancreatic juice we can find having enzymes, but actually even persist of sodium bicarbonate. Next of all, endocrine part, they are having endocrine parts that have been figured in defeats. Generally you seen there have a lobular structure or rounded structure that is called islet of Langerhans, that is the single islet of Langerhans. In single islet of Langerhans they are having four types of cells to be seen, as like alpha cells are present, exist in peripheral positions, beta cells that is the middle positions, delta cells that is the even that is the peripheral area, and FF cell or PP cells exist in the peripheral area. Alpha cells that is the labeling, that is the peripheral area, that is the beta cells that is the middle positions, that is delta cells that is the peripheral area, PP cell or theta cells in another teachers. So I that is written PP cells or F cells general called PP cells. Now alpha cells secrete a type of secreting hormone that is called glucagon. Glucagon refer that is glycogenolysis process. What is glycogenolysis process? When glycogen interchanges into different forms of glucose, that is called glycogenolysis process that be driven by glucagon. Next of all, beta cells. Beta cells secretes a type of hormone that is insulin. Insulin, what functions, what performance of insulin under islet of Langerhans? Islet of Langerhans. Insulin performance as like glycogenesis. It performs many different types of glucose combined and formed to a carbohydrate, that is glycogen, and stored by liver. Next, insulin. Level of insulin when increase, then sugar level of sugar or order of sugar that will decrease, and even actually antagonistic properties. In hyposecretion of insulin, a type of disorder to be created as like you call diabetes. General diabetes we create through hyposecretion of beta cells as insulin, that is called diabetes mellitus. On one type of diabetes, as you read out diabetes insipidus, that is occurred by ATS, that is pituitary gland disorder. Next of all, here alpha cells having amount secreted 15%, having PP cells even secreted 15%, beta cells having largest amount of secreted product, that is delta cells that is the least secreted, least secreted contents. Even we discuss, mention, or you call having alpha cells and beta cells of endocrine part of islet of Langerhans. Next of all, delta cells. Delta cells secretes a type of hormone that is SS. SS is called somatostatin. Somatostatin generally inhibit in nature, that inhibits the nature of glucagon secretion and insulin secretion. So somatostatin property, that is inhibitory hormones. Okay, somatostatin release in our human body, they are having different types, different parts, as well as use somatostatin. About you study somatostatin are generally secreted by argentaphin cells. Argentaphin cells are generally occurred in gastric cells and intestinal cells. Argentaphin cells are lied in basal part of gastric cells and intestinal cells. That is chemically in nature, that is 5-HT, that is you call generally, that is in form of 5-hydroxytryptamine. What is the functions of argentaphin cells secreting substance somatostatin? That suppress level of hormone in that is gut, okay, or intestinal sections, or that is tract section of that is the tract section of alimentary canal. Next of all, what is the function of somatostatin? Generally, somatostatin reduce reabsorption of nutrients in intestinal sections by releasing of gastrin hormones. Next of all, that function of SS by SS even secreted by type of endocrine gland, that is hypothalamus, that is master gland. Master gland you commonly you learn, that is called pituitary gland. Okay, somatostatin, that is a short form SS. Okay, that is called SS. Somatostatin generally secreted by hypothalamus. What is the functions in somatostatin in hypothalamus? Somatostatin, this type of that type of somatostatin secreted in hypothalamus, that is called somatotropin. What somatotropin act as inhibitory growth hormone. Okay, that inhibits property of secreting of growth hormone by pituitary gland. Next, PP cells. PP cells concentration 15%. PP full form pancreatic polypeptide. Not matter. Polypeptide functions to suppress or check releasing of pancreatic juice. Okay. Next, what is the functions of pancreas? General functions of pancreas: exocrine in nature. Okay, secretion of enzyme. Second, functions of pancreas: secretion of different types of hormones who interpret or coordinate in nature. At here or depicts you figure, that is anatomy of pancreas, or general, that is you sections of pancreas. Here pancreatic duct and pancreatic essence, commonly called exocrine part. Here, that is alpha cells, beta cells, delta cells, PP cells, and different types of blood capillaries are along to forms IZ of Langerhans, that is the exocrine part of pancreas. We will discuss pancreas